Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Project Pan update. I am doing the hashtag Team Project Pan 2020 and this is the end of October, beginning of November updates that I missed. I'm a bit late with all my monthly videos, but that's okay. To remind you the way it works, this is a full face and body rolling Project Pan, and I adapted it to just go through the parts of my collection that I don't feel the need to have a lot of. I have a lot of a lot, but for me, foundation, powder, concealer, primers, brow products, I have my heroes, I have the products I like, and I don't, I want to go through my collection and really just finish everything that is old and things like that. For the colorful products, right now I'm not doing anything. Normally I do a shop my stash monthly, but this year I haven't because I haven't been going out, and now when I do my makeup I just want to do whatever I feel like it, like this beautiful crazy green makeup. This is a look I filmed for the Blood Money collection duping the vibes video. The video on the palette is already up, go check it out, and the tutorial for this look will come next, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to see how to recreate this eye look. And the lips are something I'm trying. I have some new nude lipsticks in my life and I am trying to understand if I am comfortable wearing nude lips. This is already very light and I even lined my lips with a dark liner. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below. Nude lip, yes or no? I don't see myself with nude lipsticks at all. I feel so washed out. Anyways, let's get started with this Project Pan. Last month, I asked you if you were okay with only seeing them quarterly because I wasn't doing a lot of progress. And then I started making progress and I was getting really excited. So I was like, oh, no, I want to share. And there's things that are coming in and out and new items. So I want to share. That is the reason for this video. And also it's the last few updates of the year before the finale. And I really want to think of what to do next year, but likely a very similar thing. In the spirit of my Project Pan, still introduction, but I stopped a few items like my mascara and mascara primer. I reached the end of my stash of mascaras, I think, and I don't feel the need to weigh my one mascara that I use every month. I think that's, a bit pointless. Same thing with my brow gel. I only use one bright brow gel, my Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, and I'm already at the second one and I'm not gonna buy a new one, so I don't need to weigh it anymore. And I think the rest we can have a video on things I don't buy anymore or things that I don't pan anymore. But for now, let's focus on the products at hand. I have my trusty scale where I already weighed stuff, and everything is on my phone on my Excel sheet. And let's start with the primer. I've been using for the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 months, the Herborian Bamboo Matte Powder Effect Cream mixed in with my foundation, and I've been really enjoying it. Also as a primer, it has a nice mattifying effect, and it's actually a moisturizer, and I don't use moisturizers, especially mattifying, so during the day, without SPF. So I wouldn't have used this, but as a primer, it's brilliant. I used quite a bit this month. It went from 26.75 to 24.68, though that's pretty much 2 grams down, which is quite a bit of progress. I'm very happy with that, and I really feel like I have to keep it upside down, otherwise the product is not coming out. So we're making progress. I don't have a lot left here. More than a little, but not a lot. Next up is foundation. Now on this one, I wore it today and I was actually, this is really ending. This is the Nabla Close-Up Futuristic Foundation in the shade L50. And this is a mini size that they sell on their website. And I like it. I like it quite a bit. I have to say that if and when I'm through with all of my foundations, I might rebuy this. It's with the skin I have now, which is a little bit less oily than than I had last year, maybe because I'm not leaving the house and there's no airco and my skin is more calm, or because I'm pregnant and it's less oily. Could be either of them, but I've been really liking it. And this is at its last drops. It is now at 9.78 grams. It was at 10.9, so I used almost a gram of foundation this month. I wore more makeup. I'm actually very happy to see the progress, and I'm really squeezing out the last bits. So in preparation for the next time, I am expecting to finish this before the next update. I already will introduce what will take its place, which is my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the shade 2N2 Buff, and I had it actually in my project pan at the beginning of the year. I wanted to use it up, or just use it because it's been a while, and here you can see the progress that I had made at the beginning of the year. I think I stopped using it, after at the end of March, at the March refresh, end of spring refresh, I guess. I stopped using it to start using things that were more lightweight, or no foundation at all actually, because it was lockdown. But yeah, I hope to make more progress in this, and this starts out at 106.26 grams. Let's see, there's a lot on there, as you can see, but I'll be happy if I make some more progress on this, since I've had it for now, I don't know, since 2017, probably 2018, sorry, since 2018. So it's getting a little bit old, but, and I'm gonna keep mixing it with my Herborian cream because I like a lighter coverage, so I think that works very well for me. When it comes to concealers, you've probably seen it in my roundup, I finished the mini NARS in custard. I always thought it was vanilla. It's not, it's custard. And there's nothing coming out anymore. There's really dry product that I have to put a lot of effort into putting on my face. So it's finished. It is now 14.64 grams, and I started the month at 15, so just 0.36 grams used, and this is now finished. In its place, I am adding in my other NARS concealer, which is the shade Canal in the full size. Now, I had bought this again also in same time as the Estee Lauder actually, same order from Feel Unique for my wedding, and yeah, I just want to use it. It's 2 years old. I want to use it up. I love this formula. The color I'm wearing right now is maybe a touch light for the foundation that I'm using, but maybe it will be better with the Estee Lauder Double Wear, since I use that foundation, the Nabla one, also in summer, and now I'm definitely not tan. I think my neck is a little bit light compared to my body, but you know, it's because I haven't been self-tanning. I have to be honest. This one I start out at 23.29 grams, and we'll see how it goes. I am, yeah, I like it and I use it happily. So also when I'm not wearing foundation. Next up is powder. Today, while doing this makeup, you'll see it in the video, I made an oopsie and dropped my Drama Matte powder, which broke in a ton of pieces. And since I am fed up with it and I have a lot of powders and I don't want to repress it, I'm calling it quits. The pan was big, I used it a lot, I got my use out of it, so I am calling this one quits at 51.2 grams. And yeah, of course I could go further, absolutely, but for me, yeah, I'm okay. I don't want the fuss anymore, and I've used this to its price and more, so this one is done. I actually, not true, I'm probably gonna keep the compact just in case and take out just the thing, the pan, if I can. I will be able to in the trash. Anyways, I'll take out the pan, keep the compact, or actually also keep the pan in case I want to press something in it. We'll see. In its place, I am bringing in the Nabla Close-Up Smoothing Pressed Powder, and I have the shade Light. This is what it looks like here. It already has quite a bit of a dip. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this one is less mattifying, so that also suits my skin a little bit better than the Drama Matte does, and it looks less powdery on the skin. So yeah, I kind of want to use this one and see if also it will make me understand if this is like the pressed powder of my life or not. Yeah, I want to use it for a while. Maybe I'll switch it out at the end of the year if I decide after 3 months of using this one exclusively that I don't need to go through it, because I have some loose powders that I really don't care for and I just want to get rid of. Whereas this one, if I like it, I don't want to get rid of it. So, doubts. That one starts off at 60.28 grams, and we'll see how we proceed. Next up is my eye primer, the Milani eyeshadow primer. This went from 11.01 grams to 10.76. So a good amount of progress, and it's getting smaller and smaller. This will probably also be my last primer in my project, because my eye primer in my project, because I'm running out. I don't have so many anymore, and buying one at a time is the zen place that I want to be in with my makeup, so I don't need to do a project pan for it. Now, you'll probably think I'm crazy. In my last update, I told you that I was giving up on the Nabla brow pot because I had been using it for a long time. It was getting dry and I had panned it. I went to the bottom of the pan and worked on it for the whole year and some of last year. And then I decided to start on another brow pomade. I still had this in my drawer, and this is the Anastasia Dip Brow in Chocolate. This is a perfect shade for me, and I am using it with the Duraline by Inglot, and I want to try to hit pan here too, but there's a long way to go, I'm afraid. Doesn't matter, we're gonna try. Let me know in the comments if you're up for this, because I know quite a few of you were invested in my Nabla Dip Brow Pot journey, and I want to know if you're up for it. The lid is also dirty. But here is the starting level. It's quite doubly, I don't know why. There's a lot of bumps in it, but I use it and it doesn't smell weird, and I can still do my brows and I like it. So let's see how that goes. So this monitoring I want to do. And this one starts out at 41.94 grams. Let's see how far I get. It took me more than a year to get 0.8 grams off of the Nabla one, so we'll see. We will see how far I get with that. Then moving on to hair products that I still have to finish. The Botanical Coriander Strength Potion. This is really almost finished. I don't know, I think it's down here or something. These things I use quite a lot, so I went from 64 grams to 53 grams. That's 11 grams of use. It's yeah, it's almost finished. I'm sure I'm gonna finish it by the end of the year. I hope I'm gonna finish it by the end of this month. We will see, depends on how much I wash my hair. Since I just did wash it last night, I took a bath, sat with a hair mask, and I'm full of paint still in it. I don't know, you guys. I don't know how to get paint out of my hair. It's terrible. Next up is also a very old product that I have, is the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Restoring Styling Oil. I really like this. I've been using it a lot. As you can see, it's almost finished, and it went from 59 to 54 grams, so used 6 grams. I use 2 pumps of this in my hair when I don't want to have it like curly. So this is my hair air dried with only the 3 products that I'll show you today, and it's just wavy and nice and soft and I don't know, easy, very easy hair. And the good thing is I can pass my hands through it without having big knots, which happens when I do try to keep it more curly or more defined. So this one right here is progressing, and the other item I had added last month was the Biofficina Toscana Anti Frizz lotion, and actually, I don't know, I think I'm more than halfway through already. This went from 74.3 to 56.5 grams, and this is an anti-frizz spray. I don't really see a lot of effect of it, and to be honest, I go through it quite quickly. I would probably not repurchase it, but I'm happy to go through it. I am trying to reach that point with my hair products that I also only have one per category, or, you know, when I want my hair smoother or wavy, and when I want my hair curly, I have 2 routines, but I don't need so many products like I have now, because I want to find what works for me, and that's it. So that is the update on my project pan. Let me know how your project pan is going. To me, this was quite an exciting update because I had quite a lot of, like, my foundation, concealer and powder are done or are almost done, so there were new products coming in, and then things will probably start moving slower from now on again, because yeah, it will take some time. It could be that I skip next month, or I'll let you know, because I want to make sure I finish this foundation. It's important. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I wish you the best of a month of November, and we'll be talking about Black Friday soon. But first, this tutorial. Anyways, I hope you have a great day further, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.